नमस्कार, माझे नाव सौ निशा निकम. माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचे स्वागत आहे आणि माझ्या चॅनलचे नाव आहे एन स्क्वेअर. 9th सायन्स चॅप्टर 6 क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्लांट्स. टॉपिक आहे एक्सरसाइज. क्वेश्चन 1. मॅच द प्रॉपर टर्म्स फ्रॉम कॉलम्स A and C with the description in column B. आन्सर आहे Thallophyta. These plants mainly grow in water. Algae. Bryophyta. These plants need water for reproduction. Moss. Pteridophyta. Tissues are present for conduction of water and food. Fern. Gymnosperms. No natural covering on seeds. Cycas. Angiosperms. Seeds are formed in fruits. Tamarind. Question 2. Complete the sentences by filling in the blanks. Some options are here. Angiosperm, gymnosperm, spore, bryophyta, thallophyta, zygote. First, fill in the blank. Dash dash plants have soft and fiber-like body. Thallophyta. B. Dash dash is called the amphibian of the plant kingdom. Bryophyta. C. In Pteridophyta, asexual reproduction occur by dash dash formation and sexual reproduction occurs by dash dash formation. Answer आहे spore and zygote. D. Male and female flowers of dash dash are born on different sporophylls of the same plant. Answer gymnosperms. Question 3. Answer the following questions in your own words. Question. Write the characteristics of subkingdom phanerogams. Plants that bear seeds are called phanerogams. In these plants, seeds are formed after reproduction. The seed contain embryo and store food. The store food is used during germination for growth of the embryo. Phanerogams are divided into two groups, Weasley, gymnosperm and angiosperms, depending upon whether the seeds are enclosed in a fruit or not. Distinguish between monocots and dicots. Dicots, monocots. Taproot, fibrous root. Stem unbranched, stem branched. Leaves show parallel venation. Leaves show reticulate venation. Flowers with 3 parts or in their multiples. Flowers with 4 and 5 parts or in their multiples. Example, maize, banana. Example, sunflower, mustard, etc. Write a paragraph in your own words about the ornamental plants called ferns. Answer. Ferns are ornamental plants seen in gardens. They are called ornamentals as they beautify the place wherever they grow. Since they are grown in gardens, they do not bear flowers and fruits, but they bear different types of attractive leaves. They reproduce by spores which develop on the lower side of their leaflets in the form of singular sods. Sketch, label and describe the Spirogyra. Spirogyra is green filamentous algae belonging to the division Thallophyta. It grows in fresh water. Owing to the presence of chlorophyll, it synthesizes its food by the process of photosynthesis. It contains spirally arranged thread-like chloroplasts in its cell. In each chloroplast, there are a number of rounded bodies surrounded by starch. These rounded bodies are called pyronids. Spirogyra, pyronid, nucleus, cell wall, spiral chloroplast. Write the characteristics of the plants belonging to division Bryophyta. Answer. Plants belonging to the division Bryophyta are called amphibious plants as they grow in moist soil but need water for reproduction, thus sharing two habitats. Plants are mostly thalloid, exception mosses, multicellular and autotrophic. The plant body of Bryophytas is flat and ribbon-like without true roots. Instead of roots, they possess rhizoids. They do not possess conducting tissues for the conduction of food and water. Examples: Rixia, Mercacia, Anthroceras, Punaria, etc. Question 4. Sketch and label the figures of the following plants and explain them into brief. Mercacia. Mercacia is a bryophyte. Mercacia is called amphibious plants as it shares two habitats, visibly soil for its growth and water for reproduction. It is flat ribbon-like, long and without true roots, stem and leaves. Instead of roots, it bears rhizoids. It lacks conducting tissues which conduct food and water. Mercacia, leaf-like parts, stalk, capsule, rhizoids. Punaria. Punaria is bryophyte. Like Mercacia, Punaria is also amphibious. The plant body of Punaria is differentiated into stem-like, leaf-like and root-like rhizoids. It develops a capsule on a stalk during favorable conditions. Spores are formed inside the capsule. The spores gives rise to new plants. Punaria, leaf-like parts, stalk, capsule, rhizoids. Fern. Ferns are ornamental plants seen in gardens. They are called ornamentals as they beautify the place wherever they grow. Since they are grown in gardens, they do not bear flowers and fruits, but they bear different types of attractive leaves. They reproduce by spores, which develops on the lower side of their leaflets in the form of singular spores. Ferns, leaflets, roots. Spirogyra is green filamentous algae belonging to the division Thylophyta. It grows in fresh water owing to the presence of chlorophyll. It synthesizes its food by the process of photosynthesis. It contains spirally arranged thread-like chloroplasts in its cell. In each chloroplast, there are a number of rounded bodies surrounded by starch. These rounded bodies are called pyrenoids. Spirogyra, pyronoid, nucleus, cell wall, spiral chloroplast. Question 6. Which criteria are used for the classification of plants? Explain with reasons. There are two subkingdoms of flowering plants, visibly gymnosperm and angiosperms. If plants do not bear flowers, fruits and seeds, they are non-seed bearing plants. If they bear flowers, fruits and seed, they are seed bearing plants. Plants that are not differentiated into organs like roots, stem, leaves are called Thylophyta. Another criteria for classification of plant is the presence or absence of conducting tissues. Plants such as Pteridophytas, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm, which possess conducting tissues, are included under vascular plants, while Bryophytas and Thylophytas, which do not possess vascular tissues, are included under non-vascular plants. Plants are classified into two groups, visibly seeds-bearing and non-seed-bearing plants, depending upon the presence or absence of seeds. Depending upon whether the seeds are enclosed in fruits or not, plants have been classified as gymnosperms and angiosperms. Depending upon the number of cotyledons in seeds, plants have been classified into dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Homework. Write exercise in the notebook. तुम्हाला माझा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, माझ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करायला विसरू नका.